Hi, I'm Kayla. This is Bible Science with Kay. Today we're going to turn Peeps into Edible Playdough. Now I'm going to tell you the supplies you'll need. This glass bowl. Do you put it on your... No? Okay. Little glass bowl full of, oh yeah! 1 cup of powdered sugar. Am I supposed to? I'll do it later. And, 1 tablespoon of butter. Is this supposed to be breakable? 6 Peeps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no! I only have 5 and a spoon! Boom, ba-dum, bum. Now we are going to observe the marshmallows to look at them and see how big they are. Now we are going to put 6 Peeps in a big bowl. Okay, and now we're going to put the Peeps in the microwave to melt. Now I am putting the Peeps in here. Now I am setting it to 15 to 20. Just 15. And start. And now they are melting in a glass bowl. Wow, they look huge! The heat made the molecules in the marshmallows spread out, causing them to get bigger. Now you're going to pour in the melted butter and stir. Now, spoon enough powdered sugar to make a non-sticky dough-like. I'm going to stir with this hand and pour in with this hand. Let's see. Still sticky. Wish I hadn't done that. Let's pour more in. Okay. Maybe I should get up like that. Stir it wide. Now you can play with it. Bonk. And you can eat it, but I wouldn't recommend it. It doesn't taste good. Blech. Now I'm going to share the Bible lesson with you. The Peeps are just like us. When we put them in the microwave and added all that new stuff to it, they became something different. And when they became something different, it's kind of like when we ask Jesus into our hearts, we become something different because we become Christians. Now I'm going to share a Bible verse with you. 2 Corinthians 5:17. When anyone lives in Christ, the new creation has come. The old is gone. The new is here. Thank you for watching Bible Science with Kay. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Creation. Thank you for watching Bible Science with Kay. Please like and subscribe to my channel. What we gonna do now, boss? Hi, I'm Caleb.
We already did that part.
That can be an outtake. First, I'm gonna tell you the supplies you'll need. A big glass bowl. A little glass bowl full of 1 cup of powdered, make sure it's powdered sugar. I wasn't stopped.
I didn't touch it. It's still recording.
Dude!
Sorry.
Let's try that again.
Okay.
Now I'm going to tell you the supplies you'll need. Big glass bowl, little glass bowl, 1 cup of powdered sugar.
Sorry.
In science, we observe how big it is to see how big it is. Okay. Then you put 6 Peeps in there. 1, 2.
Take pause.
No, we're making outtakes. Do not undo that. Did you undo it?
No.
I ate the rest of them, not the rest. Now you actually have 7. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4.
Yeah, we only need 6, but just don't, do any more.
Yeah, I won't. Except when I eat my Play-Doh.
Yeah.
I hope my Play-Doh
Okay,
is
stick that in your pocket.
okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ow. Boo, boo, boo. Okay.